So a lot of people ask me, what does it mean for you to be an HR? As a person, I would like to believe I've strived hard to be a people person. So I've always been inclined to a job where I can deal with human capital. I think HR is the right field, for that. Um, I've been associated with the HR field for the last around 7 years. So the kind of instant gratification you get, once I started working here, um, the kind of instant gratification you get, once you know that you have solved somebody's grievances, or you helped somebody find a job, that is so satisfying, and to understand that you have brought in some kind of a change in somebody else's life. I think that's a privilege the HR field gives you. Being an HR gives you. I don't think I don't think I would trade it for any other job in the corporate world. Um, of course, the superficiality of being an HR. Uh, being the go-to person for all the employees in the company, that superficiality has surely drawn me. I wouldn't be denying this. But once you start working, these are the few things, understanding, being a factor in somebody else's life, um, being a consolation at some point of time, especially the times we are living in, right? We are working, we are in I would like to believe we are post the pandemic, especially during these times, when you help somebody find a job, the joy on the face, and they would remember you forever, right? So I think these are the soul gratifying instances, and I think these instances make my day, and that's what keeps me going.